Hey, Andrew from Ozito. When you're next in your local Bunnings, check out this 200mm table saw. All the specs on what it can do are here on the back of the pack. The table saw comes with everything you need, including a parallel fence, a push stick, an adapter for dust extraction, a 45-degree miter guide, a user manual for all the tips and tricks, and a 24-tooth blade. If you want some more information on how to assemble this table saw, there's another video, so just follow the links. Some of the cool things about this table saw is it can do a 45-degree bevel up to 32mm thick. And the parallel fence has 2 height settings, making it easy to do thick and thin timbers. It comes with a 45-degree miter guide, making it really simple to get all those accurate angles. For a bit of safety, the push stick is included and helps keep your fingers away from that sharp spinning blade. This is a really great 200mm table saw, freeing up the bench space because it's nice, lightweight and compact.